2 mm mechanical pencil. I have not used it ever. This is the first time that I've bought it. So this is kind of a review of this kind of a pencil and also a Christmas drawing. Hey friends, this is Shoptik and you're watching your own channel Supart. I have not been consistent enough. I was a bit away after Inktober and a few sketches here and there. But I think I'm back and I would try to be consistent once again. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for all of you keeping up. There have been few DMs on Instagram. So here I am back with one Christmas drawing that I have done. It's kind of a review drawing, so it is not that much of a serious drawing. This is Rudolf the deer, and it is trying to take Santa to your home and bring gifts and happiness back to you and to me too. So it's 2020 coming to a close, and we have had not such a good year as far as health and happiness is concerned, and that is the most important thing in this world. So yeah, I'm no exception. Even for me, I have lost family and lost the complete life. In fact, rest aside the deaths and people getting affected with this virus, it was not a great year for any one of us. And to end it, I would try to bring some other videos. I would try to bring one of the series of drawings that I did for the COVID fighters. Actually, I have not recorded them. That was for a special occasion. It's kind of a product that me and my friend are trying to launch, and but I will definitely share those drawings with you, and I would love to know your thoughts about this. So for this drawing, as I said, that I have tried to do this review of 2.0 mm mechanical pencil, which I have used for the first time. It was a very different kind of an experience. I have mostly used 0.5 mm or 0.7 mm pencils, but this one was different. It felt like drawing with a graphite pencil altogether, but not that much though. It gives much more of a basis of while drawing. It gives you that kind of a freedom, because once you turn the graphite around, it will bring back the I would say the pointiness, and you don't need to think about how would I bring the edges better. So for this drawing, I took a reference from Google Images, as I always do, and there the Santa was in this kind of a cart on the snow. But since it was just a review, I just wanted to dig in with the pencil without doing too much of blending. In fact, no blendings at all. I just didn't want to do any kind of blendings, and this is what as a result I got, and I would say that I was pretty happy with what I got. Nowadays I'm drawing in the iPad a lot more, because that helps nowadays for products and different kinds of designs that the product owners or vendors, they ask for from artists like us. So coming back to the pencil was a refreshing thing. Pencils and paper is something that I think most of us artists have always started with. Maybe the new age kids who are just starting right now would have directly gone onto tablets. Samsung are providing good competition to iPads, but still I would say that iPads are way ahead. So the next drawing, again, I would try to do some kind of a Christmas drawing, but I'm thinking of drawing something in the YouTube Shorts, and I have not visited that place for long, so I would like your support in that video too. And as far as this video is concerned, if you have liked it, if you have liked the way I've tried using this mechanical pencil, if you use mechanical pencils too, and especially the 2.0 mm, or you're thinking of doing it, then I would say that you can just go for it. And if you've liked this video, then you can hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button. I bring on different kinds of drawing videos, digital, traditional, and I keep drawing almost every week. I have not been around for 1 month or so, but that is just not what is going to happen from now on. So it's 2021 coming, and I'm quite excited for the new year, and I think that we will pass through these bad times, and then again I will bring a lot more of drawing videos. For the rest part of the video, I would keep you up with the music, and please keep commenting. I love to read your comments and reply you guys back. So thank you for watching. Keep watching till the end. That will help the channel and me. Thanks a lot. Bye. See you in the next video.